we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
To fix the internal HDD of your PS4, you first need to take it out carefully. While if you decide to initialize your device, the option is available in safe mode, you should know that initialization will restore the system settings to default and delete data saved on the system storage.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.